quick belly fat burning for women. Body natural vinegar for weight loss. Fresh lemon juice. An effortlessly available component present in any kitchen, lemon works. Question to dismiss that persistent stomach fat. Start your day having a glass of lemon water and find out your midsection getting smaller sized very quickly. Tip: consuming warm water with honey and lemon can perform wonders to improve your health. Ginger tea. Are you aware that adding ginger for your teas are another guaranteed method to avoid your stomach fat? Being thermogenic anyway, ginger increases the body temperature, helping burn off fat better. Garlic. Garlic has excellent anti-weight problems qualities. Research has shown that garlic can hinder the entire process of fat accumulation in your body. Almonds. Studies have demonstrated that almonds will help you fight a fat belly. Due to the existence of omega-3 essential fatty acids, almonds might help reduce body fat and bolster weight reduction efforts. And also how thought nuts has numerous hidden calories, didn't you? Watermelon. Another guaranteed to losing stomach fat is watermelon because it contains 91% water. Consume a couple of bits of watermelon at the outset of meals. It will not only satiate without adding a large amount of calories for your meal, it keeps you feeling full longer as well as helps combat bloating.